Composting for beginners at home. Things you will need to make your own compost are composting area or a compost bin, green ingredients, brown ingredients, water, oxygen and a garden fork. The composting requires nitrogen and carbon. The nitrogen is provided by green materials such as vegetable scraps, fruit peelings, grass clippings, dead flowers, garden weeds, seaweed, kelp, tea leaves, and tea bags, coffee grounds and filters, eggshells, etc. The carbon comes from brown material, such as dry leaves, dead plants, woody twigs, straw, hay, pine needles, wood ash, newspaper, cardboard, sawdust, corn cobs, vacuum cleaner dust, etc. First select a sunny corner in your garden and place the compost bin. The compost bin should be open at its base and have holes on all sides for air circulation. You can make your own compost bin by using old fence material or wooden strips. You can start a compost pile in a garden corner. Compost layers. The layer thicknesses are approximate. Lay a 5-inch thick layer of twigs as a base layer for providing drainage. Then put a 3-inch layer of green ingredients, followed by a 4-inch layer of brown ingredients. Sprinkle water to keep the heap moist. Cover with newspaper clippings to keep insects and flies away. Continue with green and brown layers until the heap is 3 to 4 feet high. Always keep the bin closed to raise the temperature, or with an old blanket if composting in open. Do not add in the heap cooked food, meat, bones, seafood waste, dairy, and bakery items, plastic, metal, glass, diseased plants, weed seeds, and bulbs, etc. Both water and oxygen are needed for decomposition. The oxygen is added by turning the components periodically. The composting process will speed up by turning your heap in 3 to 4 weeks with a garden fork to aerate it. Chop the ingredients to smaller size. Also adding some earthworms, manure or compost will add bacteria to speed up the process. The compost becomes ready for use in 4 to 6 months' time depending on the size of the pile, the ingredients, and dampness and aeration. Note that partial decomposed compost is also good for your garden.